I think Vikram sir is making up stuff, and he's a very good actor, though he says he's not or whatever. But he's a very good actor. Nobody threw any burgers at anybody. We're not romantically opposite each other. That's just a lie. There were no cat fights. Sorry. He's just pulling our leg. It was nice to work with everyone again. Rajneesh and me started off our careers together. It's a romantic thriller, drama, suspense with a little bit of supernatural in it.
Some kind of energy जो कभी महसूस होती है, कभी नहीं होती.
I'm not a fortune teller. I'm not a palmist. I'm not those people who just predict the future. फिर से does as well or better. Genre that it's a romantic thriller, drama, suspense with a little bit of supernatural in it. So sort of like the first time somebody's attempted something like this, I think the audience will be very entertained while watching the film. This young girl who has a gift. I'm not a fortune teller. I'm not a palmist. I'm not those people who just predict the future. She's a young girl and she has this gift. All of us have an intuitive power. Sometimes we have this bad gut feeling or a good feeling about something. All of us do. It's just that hers is slightly heightened than normal other individuals. Because of this, it's also a very frustrating thing if you sometimes already know what's going to happen with someone. Sometimes she can, sometimes she can't. So she's sad, she's frustrated, and she's a character who doesn't show too much emotion, which was really tough for me because when I talk, I use my hands and I use my face a lot. And in this character, Girish ji and Vikram sir were very clear that they wanted someone who doesn't have too much facial expression. I have to make the audience feel bad for me or feel whatever emotion I'm feeling without showing it. So that was tough. I hope I pulled it off.
Some kind of energy. जो कभी महसूस होती है, कभी नहीं होती.
I think the cast and crew was the same as 1920. So it was nice to work with everyone again. Rajneesh and me started off our careers together.
ऐसा लगता है ये घर सदियों से हमारा इंतजार कर रहा है.
ये घर टूटना नहीं चाहता है मालिक. ये उनको भी नहीं छोड़ेगा.
कभी हवेली में कुछ महसूस किया है?
So this time we're not romantically opposite each other, but we have quite a lot of scenes. He actually through the film he's not too fond of me. I can't give off too much. It's not a love triangle. It's not at all. Everybody's been asking me if it's a love triangle. It's not. So I think it was really nice working with everybody again. It's very special to work with your co-stars and the whole team again. And we were in London again. So फिर से. I think Vikram sir is making up stuff, and he's a very good actor, though he says he's not or whatever. But he's a very good actor. Nobody threw any burgers at anybody. That's just a lie. There were no cat fights. Sorry. It just makes it very interesting, and he's just pulling our leg. But we didn't fight at all. In fact, we're still in touch even after the film was shot and everything. And I learned so much from Roshni as an actress and as a person. I think she's one of the nicest people ever. And we both are so secure in our own space that that didn't come in the way of the role didn't come in the way of anything. When we don't have too many scenes together, but what we do have together, I thoroughly enjoyed working with her. Yadein and Satrangi Sathi are the two songs that are on air right now and are doing very, very well. I shouldn't be talking about other films right now, but I have signed 2 films. One which is Hum Hai Rahi Karke, which is announced. which we'll talk about during the release of that film. I'm excited about every project that I do, even if it's a 30-second commercial or a film, because so much is put into doing a film. So I'm waiting for it to release. I think the final excitement would be after the audience reaction.